What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, big thumbs up, make sure you share it, but make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So continuing on from the last video with the Fiat, we have a rake of new parts. I've also put in a big order. All these parts will be with me next week. So obviously I'm not going to be doing anything this week. I'm in work all this week. The Fiat is getting stripped next week. It's going down to my mate's garage. Dub mechanic, he's only 10 minutes down the road from me, so we're going to drive the Fiat there. We're going to take everything off the car and then we're going to put all the new stuff on the car. We're also going to mess with the exhaust, do something funky with that. We're going to make an induction kit for the car, which is going to make it sound a bit dum-dum. It should be epic. So yeah, make sure you're following along for all of that in this video. But yeah, thank Christ for friends, guys. Everyone's so lucky to have friends. My friend has a garage and I'm gonna be in the dry, I'm not gonna be getting wet, and he has a lift, so I can't wait to have my garage built so I can do all this stuff myself with my own tools. But it's pissing rain out, as you can see. I'll show you now. It's just absolutely miserable out there. Miserable. So let's take this little Fiat on its epic journey down to a garage and replace everything and make it new again. Get alignment done. Lowering springs, so it's going to be low. We're going to roll the arches. Make sure there's no scrubbing and rubbing. And it's going to be epic, guys. So make sure you follow along in this video. So slow. Oh, that's second gear. It's an awesome little car. If you've never driven one of these cars, you need to get one. She's a lovely day out. Up on the ramp, getting some work done. It's getting fixed-ish. So game plan for all this rusty shit. This needs to be fixed. So Andy's gonna put in a plate because that's cheese. And then wire brush all this shit down, clean it up, and Schultz make it nice and new because it looks like what does it look like? We have to use nice words.
I can't give you my honest opinion.
Honest opinions count.
What do they call it? Censorship on YouTube?
Censorship, yeah. Sorry, you can't get paid for this video because you said shit. But yeah, it looks like poo and it just needs to be cleaned up. But a few new parts needed and it'll be minty fresh. So a week wait for the savings was well worth it. Autodoc.ie, even though it was shipped from Poland, took a week to get here. But these bad boys, unavailable in Ireland. Can't get them. Shock tops. Got some new wipers, some CV boots, anti-roll bar bushes, spring kits for the rear brakes, rear drums that I got priced for €45 each here. Got them for €16 each. Brake shoe kits, So get all this down to the garage and get the Fiat done. So all the parts came and it only took 6 days to come all the way from Poland. So we have new anti-roll bar bushes with the steel things, a few extras as well. We have rear wheel brake cylinders. I got 2 of them in Parts for Cars. Also some paint, 3 for 2 that is. New top mounts for the suspension. New spring kits for the rear shoes. Brand new rear shoe kit. Brand new rear drums because they were all warped and looked awful, but nice and new. And some CV boots and new wiper blades. So happy out. Everything is there to get the Fiat 100%. So yeah, I didn't get to go down last night, family emergency, so we're going to leave it for this video and we'll come back tomorrow to the Fiat when we're going to fit all these parts, clean up everything and get it finished, and hopefully in the next week or 2 paint. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a like, and make sure you comment on the video, let me know what you think of the Fiat. So peace out and be dedicated. See you in the next one. Peace.